Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little origami horse. This is a very simple model and the only material you need is a square piece of paper in any size you like. As the first step, we need to fold the paper in half along both diagonals, making an X. So we start by bringing one corner to the opposite one. Make a sharp crease. Unfold. And repeat with the opposite diagonal. Now that we have this X marked, we are going to fold the paper in half vertically. Unfold, then fold it in half horizontally, unfold again. Now we are going to fold the four corners to the center. We can start with the top right corner, then repeat with the other three. Unfold everything. Now fold the right and left sides to the middle. Unfold. Then fold the bottom and top sides to the middle as well. And unfold again. Turn the paper to this position and bring the right corner to this mark here, creating a new vertical crease on the right side. We can use all the existing creases to keep everything aligned. At the end, just make a crease, unfold, and repeat the same thing on the other side. As before, bring the corner to the mark, the point where several lines intersect, and make a sharp crease. Once that's done, rotate the paper and repeat exactly the same thing in this position. Now that we have all these creases made, we're going to fold the two side corners. We can start with the right one. Then fold the left one. Pay close attention. We're going to close the paper using these two existing creases. The bottom part will close like this. Just bring this section up. And crease well. Now we are going to close the center part using these other creases. To do that, first close the sides. Then bring the paper to the right. Now, fold this triangle, leaving a small gap. Then unfold. Now, we're going to open the paper in this section and reverse this corner using the creases we just made. Just to add a small detail, reverse fold a bit of the bottom corner. And this is the result. For the next step, rotate the paper, then fold it in half using the existing line, and fold it back down along this other line here. Reinforce all the creases well. Flip the paper over. Now we are going to make a new diagonal crease in this space here. To do that, bring the edge of the top layer to the center, like this. Then reinforce. And now that this fold is ready, open this top section and squash the paper to the right. The paper almost folds itself into the correct position, but it's important to keep everything well aligned. Once the right side is done, repeat the same thing on the left side. So first fold the diagonal, then open the top section and squash the paper to the left, keeping it as aligned as possible. After that, fold these two corners then fold the bottom corner as well. Unfold only this last fold, and with that the origami is almost ready. We just need to close the paper and now that we have the body of the horse, we're going to unfold one of these inner corners, then put it inside this pocket on the right side, right behind the other corner. This creates a kind of lock and the horse's body stays nicely closed. Finally, fold part of this corner inside. To do that, just keep it closed like this and push it inside the body. And that's it! Our origami horse is ready! It's a simple model, but with a really beautiful result. I hope you liked this video, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time!